Hi, do you know you can download and install Microsoft Office 2024, the newest version that is released in 2024 for free? I'll show you how to download, install, and activate it for a lifetime. This is a genuine copy from the official Microsoft. They made this particular one available and for free for everyone to use. So you don't have anything to worry about. It is legit and genuine. So let me show you how to do that. First thing to do is to open your browser and type deploy office LTSC 2024. The first link here, then also the first link here. When you get here, click on the download button to download the deployment file. Now after the download, go to your download folder and right click on the file, run as administrator, accept the license, and then now you want to go into your C drive file, program file, and create a new folder. You can name it Office 2024. The files has been extracted into the folder. Now let's confirm that it is there. Okay, we have it here. Now the next thing to do is to go to your desktop and open a notepad. Now check the description below to copy this code, then paste in your notepad. This is the setup file you need to install Office. This is made available by Microsoft. You can check the code here. Everything is genuine. So you copy it, paste in your notepad, and save as. Save to your desktop. You can name it Office 2024.xml. Select all files and save. Now what to do next is to copy this particular file into the folder that contains the Office files. Press the Windows button, type cmd, right click and run as administrator. Now come back to the folder, copy the path, go back to cmd, type cd space and paste the path, then press enter. That will select the Microsoft Office folder path in the cmd. Next is to check this video description for this setup line. Copy and paste in this cmd. Then press enter and the installer will launch. This will take a little time depending on your internet speed. Once it's done downloading, you see a message that says you are all set. Now let's launch our Microsoft 2024 product and see what it looks like. And also to activate. As you can see, it is not yet activated, so let's activate it now by changing the product key. Check this video description for the product key, copy and paste in here. This key is in the video description. Office is now activated. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.